when I'm gone. Get another drink and stay a little longer. I just sit and think about what went wrong. Used to feel nothing, now it's much stronger. And I wonder who you calling when I gotta leave. Yeah, when I gotta leave. But every time I call you, you be on your knees just for me. Now I'm posted at the bar just singing our songs like la la. Now I'm posted at the bar with horsehead and y'all. Tell me what you think about when I'm gone. Get another drink and stay a little longer. I just sit and think about what went wrong. Used to feel nothing, now it's much stronger. So tell me who you calling when I gotta leave. Cause every time I call you, you be on your knees. Sour and you sweet like frozen daiquiri. You get me high when I'm low like perfect harmony. Oh, and excuse me, miss, but pardon me. Yeah, pardon me. Yeah, I think you stole a part of me. And lately all these situations got me stressed out. But baby, yeah, you shine brighter than a bust out. And when I get you in my room, I'll pull your dress down. No, I'm not stressed now, lay on my chest now. And just forget how fucked up this world gets. Last call, close the curtains. Big smile, but you hurting. Dumb hoes and I swear cause they don't deserve it. And it's 4 AM again, back in this place, so just tell me what you think about when I'm gone. Get another drink and stay a little longer. I just sit and think about what went wrong. Used to feel nothing, now it's much stronger. So tell me who you calling when I gotta leave. Cause every time I call you, you be on your knees. Sour and you sweet like frozen daiquiri. You get me high when I'm low like perfect harmony. Tell me what you think about when I'm gone. Get another drink and stay a little longer. I just sit and think about what went wrong. Used to feel nothing, now it's much stronger. So tell me who you calling when I gotta leave. Cause every time I call you, you be on your knees. Sour and you sweet like frozen daiquiri. You get me high when I'm low like perfect harmony. Oh, now I'm posted at the bar just singing our songs. Yeah, I'm posted at the bar with horsehead and